Hello, good morning, my friend. This morning I will presentation about analysis of flight ticket price and service quality on Lion Air Airlines. Uh, in this presentation, the participant is Udin Ahidin, Muhammad Robi Saifullah, Andrika Onggokusumo, Ray Agung Pangestu, and me Wahyudi. Okay, abstract. Now I can tell about the abstract. The purpose of this study is to obtain the result of SWOT analysis from companies engaged the aviation industry in Indonesia, namely Lion Air Group. The result of the SWOT analysis state the service improvement is a problem that must be immediately addressed by Lion Air Group in order to better maintain passenger trust not only in terms of low price with the advantage of Lion Group but still by paying attention to good service quality. Keyword is price and quality. Okay, this slide introduction. First, Lion Air is a subsidiary of PT Langit Esa Octagon atau or PT Leo Group, which is part of the wider Lion Group. Is a leading domestic airline in the discipline low-cost carrier. We offer flight to value and conscious customer who focus on price, frequency of flight, and expensive route network across Indonesia. Since our first flight in 2000, Lion Air has grown rapidly to become Indonesian preferred domestic airline. In 2018, we carried 36.8 million passengers, nearly 35% of all air travelers in the country, to the island, cities, and communities of archipelago. Our business is also uniquely structured for growth as the only local carrier of air cargo between Indonesia destination. Okay, literature and review and hypothesis development. Clotter and Armstrong, 2019. Marketing is a social and managerial process by which individual or organization obtain what they need and what through the creation and exchange of value with other. Number two, price according to Clotter and Armstrong, 2019. In a narrow sense, price is the amount billed for a product or service. More broadly, price is the sum of all the value provided by a customer benefit from owning or using a product and service. Number three, quality of service according to Lukman, 2018. Service quality is the service provided the customers in accordance with service standard that have been standardized as guidelines in service delivery. Service standards are measures that have been determined as a good service standard. Next is method. The research method used in this study is qualitative, using SWOT analysis. The SWOT analysis method is a strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Is a technique used to identify strength, weakness, opportunities, and the threats that may occur. Now, in this slide, first we will tell about the strengths of Lion Air Group. First, cheap flight ticket price or low cost. Yeah, Lion Air Group is a low cost airline in Indonesia. Second, more flight routes. Why Lion Air more flight route? Because the Lion Air have more number of fleet. And three, the number of fleet is strength because number of fleet is good for routing. And this I can tell the diagram. First, in this diagram I show this is a show about the sale the ticket of uh, airline in Southeast Asia. Lion Air is uh, the most ticket sale in Southeast Asia, and this is a good strength of Lion Air because the low cost. And then this is the data. The Lion Air is the cheapest ticket in Indonesia from Jakarta to Solo SOC. And then this is the diagram for the number of fleet, the aircraft. Okay, this data show uh, Lion Air Group have uh, more aircraft in Indonesia. Now we can talk about the weakness. Lion Air has a drawback, namely with inherent image that is delay. Nah, this is a weakness point that must be corrected. This shall be the focus of Lion Air management, directly operational to data that show the on-top performance of all airlines in Indonesia. Look at this. This first good on-top performance is Garuda Indonesia, and then Batik Air, Citylink, Wings Air, and then Lion Air. Lion Air not the lowest, but it must be corrected. And then opportunities. First, the opportunities is domestic route expansion. Lion Air has a very big opportunity to expand domestic route due to its large fleet in increasing fleet. Moreover, other airline competition do not increase the aircraft, so the opportunity for competition to expand the new domestic routes will be difficult. And second, international route expansion. Lion Air also has a very big opportunity to expand international route because after this COVID-19 pandemic, many airlines both in Indonesia abroad experience financial difficulties and impartially compared to Lion Air, which actually added fleets. This is a great opportunity because Indonesia is a country with beauty of tourism. Many people from various countries want to vacation in Indonesia. Now, in the second one and second opinion, this is wide be opportunities because in after COVID-19, Lion Air Group add the fleet and good opportunities for Lion Air Group. Now I can tell the truth. Fierce market competition, companies engage in aviation in increasing. Of course, this is a tight competitor for Lion Air, especially airlines that implement low cost as well. If Lion Air does not try to improve its quality, this will be a serious threat. Lion Air customer may turn to the other lower cost airline because low cost airline in Indonesia not only Lion Air. Second, inflation due to war. Nah, the effect of the war in Ukraine and the Arab lands are causing the fuel price to rise up, and this will continually pose a threat not only to Lion Air but also to all airlines in the world. When fuel price rise, airline must be increase the price of airline ticket. Of course, this threat will ticket purchasing power decrease. The flight will be quit. Result and conclusion: SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats analysis show that Petroleum Elementary Airlines has a strength in low-cost ticket sales, wide route coverage, and flexible flight schedule. However, the company also has a weakness in service or service that has not been maximized. The opportunity lies in the expansion of route through Indonesian or domestic, where no other airline has opened to route, and also foreign international routes, which are very good opportunities because Indonesia is a country with very famous tourism. While the threat is fuel price that are high due to inflation due to the current war. Okay, thank you, all participant, my friends. This is I tell about the presentation, and have a good day. Thank you.